Welcome back to InU. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, exploring the key differences between narrow AI and general AI, and uncovering the 4 categories of AI. Let's get started. First up, let's discuss the distinction between narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks efficiently. For instance, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa excel in understanding natural language and providing information within their programmed domains. However, these systems can't adapt to new tasks or situations outside their specific functions. On the flip side, general AI aims for human-level intelligence, capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across various domains. This type of AI would be versatile and adaptable, but it's still a theoretical concept and hasn't been achieved yet. Now let's explore the 4 categories of AI based on their sophistication and cognitive abilities. Reactive machines like Deep Blue focus on specific tasks and can identify patterns based on current inputs. They don't have memory or learn from past experiences. Limited memory AI, used in self-driving cars, can store and utilize past experiences to inform future decisions, enhancing their decision-making abilities. Theory of mind AI, still hypothetical, would understand emotions and infer mental states of others. This ability is crucial for effective human-AI collaboration. Self-aware AI is the most advanced and speculative category. It would possess self-awareness and consciousness, similar to human awareness of their own thoughts and feelings. This remains a topic of debate and is not yet realized. In summary, we've covered the basics of narrow versus general AI and the 4 categories of AI development. While narrow AI is already a part of our daily lives, general AI and the more advanced categories are still evolving. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the core technologies powering AI systems. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of AI. See you next time.